Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to edit a class name and delete a class from your CS First dashboard. First, you need to log into CS First by either going to cs-first.com or going to csfirst.withgoogle.com. Once you're at your dashboard, it will list all of the classes that you created. Find the class that you want to rename, click on it, and up here at the top, I'm going to simply select Edit Name and just rename the class. Click the blue Save button here at the right. And now my class is renamed. If I go back into my class dashboard, you will see the new name will appear there as shown. The next thing that I want to show you is how to delete a class. Find the class that you want to delete in your class dashboard and click on it. And simply click on the red Delete this class button. Deleting this class will remove it from your class dashboard and it is not recoverable. I hope you found this screencast helpful.